Welcome to our third video. We must thank the competitors first here because they have made us leaders as they are only following us on price. So a big thanks to our competitors and a big thank to our team for making this happen. Honestly, nobody wins a war on price, so let them fight their own battle. Today, me and Amit are going to take you through a small walkthrough of our office, Gurgaon office, wherein you can see lots and lots of applications of MDF, and this will give you a practical look, practical view of wherein MDF can be used.
So friends, we have earlier also spoken about our whole approach, marketing approach to MDF, which has been IDA. We have been reiterating that we have to focus on education, innovation, demonstration and action, and that's exactly what we are going to do, walk the talk today. We will educate our customers about the different applications that are possible with MDF, and like sir said, this video is dedicated to various myriad applications of MDF, as you will see during the course of this video. Come on.
The first application which you can see is the reception desk. Our reception desk is totally made out of MDF. This MDF is raw MDF and only polished. Look at the grace, look at the feel, and look at the finish. Give it a 3D kind of look.
The finesse that you get with green MDF is not possible with any other MDF.
These are 25 mm MDF. Veneer is pasted on them. 8 25 mm MDF have been pasted together and this block has been created. And then our cutting has been done. Looks beautiful. Acts as a wall also to the office and gives an excellent, elegant look to the office.
And if you can see the intricacy with which the MDF has been cut, that is the beauty of this green MDF, that it can be intricately cut as per your required design.
Now we'll take you to another section of our office. These are the cubicles. You can see this entire storage has been made out of MDF.
Look at how easily the accessories have been used here. This will help you demystify so many myths about MDF not being able to use accessories like this. This is a live example of how different accessories have been used on MDF.
And total this is a veneered MDF which has been used. Another application is the workstation top, or you can say the tabletop. It is again made out of MDF. These partitions have been made with MDF and HPL has been pasted on them. You can do it with pre-lam also. This entire office and all cubicles have been made out of MDF only.
Another very interesting application is done to show the intricacy, to show the fineness. All this entire cutting, this is our MDF. This is green MDF. This will give thoughts to your imagination.
Yeah.
This structure should make your imagination run wild. This should tell you and give you a lot of confidence in the usage of MDF, the product it is. The modern wood, as MDF is often called.
This can be extended to any length. This goes through and through our office. Even if you look at the roof, all these circles which are, they are also made out of MDF. This storage again is made out of MDF. These workstations made out of MDF.
This is the range of pre-laminated MDF. We offer multiple options in terms of laminate.
You can see all these prototype furniture is made out of MDF only. This dressing table is again made out of MDF. Sofa, wardrobe, the look of bed. One big advantage which you can use MDF is that the need for battens goes down. In a bed, if you use local third grade plywood, you have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 battens. If you use MDF, 1, 2, 3, 3 battens are more than enough. So you save on timber cost also. We sign off from here. Thank you so much. Hope this will be of use to you.
Happy selling.